Hey guys, it's Fresh and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my winter morning routine. So I really love to start my mornings by making my bed. I've been implementing this in 2020 because I really love that it allows me to feel like I completed a task right when I wake up. So the first thing that I do in the morning is I take a look at my to-do list to see what I have going on for the day, and then I kind of figure out what I need to prioritize in order to achieve everything on my list. Then I walk to the kitchen to make my morning cup of coffee. And then for my coffee, I like to add coconut sugar, and then I also add almond milk as well after. And I like to shake my almond milk because it gives the froth effect on the top. So once I finish making my coffee, I come back in my room and I send out my text messages, respond to emails, go on Instagram, and send out my snap streaks. So once I finish my coffee, I like to get ready to do my workout. So I'm wearing my Aritzia biker shorts, A6 sneakers, and then I'm also just wearing a t-shirt that I got from my school. So when I don't feel like going outside and doing a workout or going to a workout class, I like to just follow random videos that I find on YouTube. And I was doing a pop sugar workout, but the funny thing is I didn't realize it was like a postpartum mom workout. So it was really awkward because they kept talking about being a new mom. So once I'm done working out, I like to get in the shower right away just to get all the sweat off of my body. Then I like to go in with my Ole Henriksen face wash to wash my face, and then I brush my teeth after. So once I get out the bathroom, I like to just get dressed. So since today was a super casual day and I really was just running errands and staying home, I decided to just put on a sweatsuit to be comfortable, and then I applied my perfume as well. So after I get dressed, I like to go back in the bathroom to do the rest of my skincare. So I'm going to be applying vitamin E oil on my face, and then I'm also using the Ordinary Caffeine Solution Eye Serum underneath my eyes. So once I finish my skincare, I like to start doing my hair. So I start to section off my hair and start applying my leave-in conditioner and any other styling products that I'm going to be using that day. And if you guys do want to see a curly hair routine, make sure to leave a comment down below because I would love to do that for you guys. So usually by this time it's lunchtime since I do wake up a little bit later, and I just make myself a sandwich and get started on anything else I need to do for that day. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.